Hey everybody, you're on the lot with Stephen Hill here at Jaguar Land Rover, West Houston. It's a great day. Just when I think things can't get any better, they do. I want to show off a special car. Let me take you out here. This is a new 2021 Jaguar F-Pace. I'm going to turn the camera around and show you. Always want to give a shout out to my store, Jaguar Land Rover, West Houston. Jaguar Land Rover. This is what I really wanted to show you. This is a 2021 Jaguar F-Pace, and this is the new and designed body style. So what they've done is these headlights have been refreshed. You see the little J for Jaguar, and those actually light up. I'll fire the car up here in a second to show you that. This one made it here with the 360 camera. That's getting harder and harder to find on the cars with the microchip shortage. And you see the new growling Jaguar emblem on the front and the new grille as well, which this is kind of a throwback to the old Jaguar signs. We did take these 21-inch rims and send them out and had them powder coated. Looks wonderful. They did a great job there. And we have the black pack as well, so you have the black leaping Jaguar, easy for me to say, the leaping Jaguar on the side. The bright work has all been blacked out around the windows. And even the letters on the back are blacked out, so this gives it a really tough look. See that there? And we're part of AutoNation, so Drive Pink is our big campaign for breast cancer research. So a portion of every deal has money going to breast cancer research. It's a beautiful looking car. I forgot to show you the graphic taillights are new as well. See these taillights? There's actually some a winding road on the taillight. Little topography there. Just a nice touch. They did a really good job with the refresh on this car. And there's a little Easter egg right here, the little leaping Jaguar in your repeater light or your blinker. Alright, cool. Let me show you the inside. So we do have the blind spot, keyless entry, and it's got the ebony interior with the linear wood right here. It's a really nice touch. The Meridian upgraded sound system. And check out these quilted seats. These are super comfy, and they're bucket seats as well. See all the adjustments on the seats. You can actually make the seat right here longer. It just rolls out. So it's going to fit you a little bit better if you need to lengthen the seat, if you need to shorten it. Alright, let's hop in and fire it up. It's pretty windy out here. There we go. It's got 12 miles on it. You see the heartbeat beating right there. I don't know how many beats per minute that is, but somebody can figure that out. So something new that they've done is this pass-through goes all the way through now. Before it was just a little pocket for pens or business cards or whatnot. And again, they always have a cover on the cup holders. They don't think we should have them, but they do still have the cup holders. Little circle charger. This is an inductive charger up here if you take the case off your phone, which is pretty cool. It's got the new Pivi Pro, and again, my favorite part is the 360 camera. This one made it intact with the 360 on it, so you can hit the little button and get little views of your vehicle, or if you're afraid you're going to maybe curve the wheel on the other side over there. And you can kind of look right down the side of the car and watch as I turn the front wheel. It turns it in the graphic as well. That's pretty neat. And this one's got the driver nanny on it. So if you're distracted or impaired, it's going to kind of keep you in your lane, or at least vibrate the steering wheel to alert you. And then the huge panoramic sunroof. Love those quilted seats. Super comfy. And then the way you put it in drive is a little different. So you don't have the rotary knob anymore. You just squeeze this button on the front. Right. There you see it? So you just kind of squeeze the button and pull down for drive, up for reverse, and then keep the park. And then for all of our cricket players out here, you recognize the stitching here This is the cricket ball stitching, so a little nod to our owners in India. Pretty awesome that they put that on there, and I like this new shifter better. It's just easier to operate. All right, let's check out the back seat. I think I showed you pretty much the whole front. All right, let's check out the back seat. You have the wood as well, so it kind of matches the front. This one has the protection package with the rubber mats, which is pretty helpful here in Houston. We get rain quite a lot. And it's got the huge pano roof up here, which is really nice. I like the light headliner. It kind of breaks things up, makes the car feel a little bit more open. Sometimes you'll go with a black headliner just to kind of keep it all one color. All right, let's check out the back. Here's your black leaping Jaguar. Power tailgate. It has the protection package back here as well. This is actually a hanger for your jacket, and this plugs in. You can't see it, but it plugs in right behind the headrest there. It's hard to see because there's a cover right there. And this is a hook that actually plugs in the other side, and that's going to be for your backpack or your purse, whatever you're hanging behind the seat. And it's got like a protection package as far as like cleaning the seats and the interior, and a sun visor. So really good space back here, even though it's got a lot of stuff back there already. And then this piece is removable. You'll need to turn it to where the rectangles align to get it off. So don't just rip it out, but rotate it. So you just got to rotate that, take it off. And then this piece can be stored in your garage if you need more vertical space. All right, let's shut her down. I'm really impressed with what Jaguar's done with their refresh on this body. I wish they could build a few more of them. We had about 14 or 15 that showed up when this first came out, and we sold every single one of them almost immediately. They were really, really popular. And then we kind of ran into the chip shortage and weren't able to build cars. So it's super exciting to see one in captivity. We do have another black one that's inbound next month in February, toward the end, that's not spoken for. So if you guys are looking for one and you want to go and put your name on one, give me a call. My cell phone is 832-724-0244. All right, guys, thanks for watching. A little bit windy today. We're doing the best we can with what we got. Promise to give you guys more content for 2022. Hopefully you like this. Share it and subscribe to my channel. That really helps me.